Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. Next, we need to use about integration by past. So I will put about t equals to arccot of u. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative du over u squared plus 1. dv we have du. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have the t multiplied by v. So because we have the negative with negative, we have positive. And we have the integration u over u squared plus 1 du. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u squared plus 1, and I will put about c. About u, that is about ln(s). This is the end. Thank you for watching.